GPT-5 is here. You already know that GPT-5 is available for public, and in this video I am going to show you how to get free access to GPT-5. The first one is ChatGPT. You already know that the ChatGPT is one of the free tool available for the public. In ChatGPT, for the login users automatically getting GPT-5 for free, but it is not a completely free. We have some limitation to GPT-5 in ChatGPT. Let's check what are the limitations in the ChatGPT. The usage limit of ChatGPT in free tier are: all account can be sent up to 5 messages every 5 hours. After reaching this limit, Chat will automatically use the mini version of the model until your limit resets. Free tier users also have access to 1 GPT-5 thinking message per day. Only 10 messages for every 5 hours is free to use in ChatGPT for the free tier users. If you need more than 10 messages in 5 hours, you have to go for ChatGPT Plus variant. The next way to get free GPT-5 is Cursor AI. Cursor AI is a IDE, but Cursor AI team is giving the GPT-5 for free, and they are come with a new tweet like GPT-5 is now available in the Cursor. It is the most intelligent coding model our team has tested, and we are launching it for free for the time being. Enjoy. That means Cursor AI is available with the GPT-5 for free for the time being to their users. So we can access it GPT-5 from Cursor AI with being free usage. Let's check the GPT model is available in the Cursor AI. So open the Cursor AI and select the agent and select a new agent. Let's check, edit the agent. Yes, we can see GPT-5 is listed here. So we in Cursor AI, the GPT-5 is available for the end users. Let's try to select. Yeah, it's also able to select. That means we can access the GPT-5 from Cursor AI. So we can also explore GPT-5 from Cursor AI too. The next option or next way to get free GPT-5 is lovable.dev. Lovable.dev is like not exactly like ChatGPT, but this is a tool where it can listen to what you want to build or understand your goals, and then handle all the behind the scenes tech work to make it happen. You don't need to know what a database is or how front end and back end and development work. You just describe your app in the plain English or plain text. Lovable.dev built it for you. Lovable is a subscription based service with a free plan and several paid plan also.